Welcome to English Flow Lab. Start your language journey.
This is Ali. He lives in a small, beautiful village in Punjab. Ali wakes up early in the morning at 5 a.m. The birds are singing and the air is fresh. First, Ali drinks a glass of warm water. Then he goes for a walk. He sees green fields and hard-working farmers. At 8 a.m., Ali has a healthy breakfast. He eats an egg and paratha with lassi. After breakfast, Ali opens his laptop. He is learning English online.
That makes sense.
He wants to speak English fluently to get a good job.
You can do it.
In the evening, Ali plays cricket with his friends in the ground.
That's a 6.
Ali is very happy with his simple and peaceful life. Now, listen and repeat after me. Ali lives in a small village. He wakes up at 5 a.m. The birds are singing and the air is fresh. The birds are singing and the air is fresh. First, Ali drinks a glass of warm water. Then he goes for a walk. First, Ali drinks a glass of warm water. Then he goes for a walk. He sees green fields and hard-working farmers. He sees green fields and hard-working farmers. He wants to speak English fluently to get a good job. He wants to speak English fluently to get a good job. Let's learn some new words from the story. Word number 1, fluent. F-L-U-E-N-T. Meaning, to speak a language easily and without stopping. Rawani se bolna. Example, Ali wants to be fluent in English. Word number 2, healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Meaning, good for your body. Sehatmand. Example, Ali eats a healthy breakfast. Word number 3, peaceful. P-E-A-C-E-F-U-L. Meaning, calm and quiet. Porsakoon. Example, life in the village is very peaceful. Word number 4, early. E-A-R-L-Y. Meaning, before the usual time. Example, Ali wakes up early in the morning. Now, it's time for a small test. Answer this question in the comments. Question, what time does Ali wake up? A, 7 a.m. B, 5 a.m. C, 9 a.m. Write your answer, A, B, or C, in the comments below. I will heart the correct answers.
Thank you for practicing with English Flow Lab today. Don't forget to subscribe for day 2 of our 30-day challenge. See you tomorrow.